Welcome to gardenandallotment.com. This is where we'll be posting daily tips on jobs that need doing in the garden and in the allotment. So make sure you come back every day or click the subscribe button to see what today's daily tip is all about. Today's daily tip is about shed maintenance. In the winter there's not much to do down on the allotment, so the ideal time to do all your maintenance work is now. Go down on the allotment, get it all tidied, get all your pots washed, get all the sides cleaned down, get all the old weeds up, what are growing in between stuff. Just get it all stripped back, cleaned down, repaint any bits that need painting to maintain the wood and to keep it looking good. And obviously you don't want it rotting, so it's good to do all that now. Make sure it's all fast and strong, because in the winter we get the bad winds, so it can easily get damaged. So now is the perfect time to do your shed maintenance. I've just cleared all my shed down because I'm doing some extension work down on my plot and making it a lot bigger and better so that I can do better filming down here. So make sure you get your shed ready this winter, ready for the springtime, ready for when you're doing your seed planting. So remember to check out my website in the link below and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.